Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Tech for Good, Social Impact, and Sustainability. We've only scratched the surface of how tech is addressing global challenges, but it's clear that innovation can be a powerful tool for progress. Let's continue this conversation. How can we all contribute to a more sustainable and equitable future using technology? Until next time, keep thinking big and working towards change. Segment 5, The Path Forward. As we move forward, collaboration will be key. Governments, nonprofits, tech companies, and communities must work together to create sustainable and inclusive solutions. Initiatives like green tech startups, social impact incubators, and global partnerships are already showing us what's possible when innovation meets social responsibility. It's an exciting time to witness how technology, when wielded with purpose and empathy, can drive meaningful change. Segment 4. Challenges and ethical considerations. Of course, while technology offers tremendous potential, it also raises important questions. How do we ensure that these innovations reach those who need them most? And how do we address ethical concerns, such as data privacy or the potential for widening the digital divide? These are challenges we must navigate carefully, ensuring that tech-driven solutions don't unintentionally exclude or harm vulnerable communities. Segment 3. Health equity and access to care. Now, let's focus on health equity. For years, access to healthcare has been marked by vast disparities, whether it's geographic, economic, or systemic. Enter digital health solutions. From telemedicine that connects rural patients with top-tier specialists to AI-powered diagnostics that can detect diseases earlier and more accurately, technology is transforming healthcare. One of the biggest impacts has been in preventive care. For instance, wearable devices that monitor vital signs and mobile apps that offer mental health support are making healthcare more proactive and personalized. Additionally, data analytics and AI are helping public health organizations track disease outbreaks and respond faster, something that became incredibly important during the COVID-19 pandemic. The result: more equitable healthcare and better outcomes for underserved populations. Segment 2. Education access and equity. Next, let's talk about education. Access to quality education remains uneven worldwide, with millions of children and adults unable to access the resources they need to learn and grow, but technology is bridging this gap. E-learning platforms, mobile apps, and even virtual reality classrooms are extending educational opportunities to remote and underserved communities. One standout example is how edtech platforms are enabling students in low-resource areas to access world-class content via their smartphones. From language learning apps to coding courses, technology is democratizing education, leveling the playing field, and giving everyone a shot at success. And it's not just about learning basic skills. Tech is also helping with lifelong learning, making sure people can continuously upskill and stay relevant in a fast-evolving world. Segment 1. Climate change and environmental sustainability. First up is climate change, arguably the most pressing global issue. From rising sea levels to extreme weather patterns, we're facing an urgent crisis. But here's where technology steps in as a force for good. Renewable energy innovations like solar, wind, and hydro are already transforming the energy landscape. But beyond that, AI and data analytics are now playing a critical role in predicting environmental changes and optimizing resource use. Take, for example, satellite monitoring systems that help track deforestation in real time, enabling governments and organizations to take swift action. Or smart agriculture, where IoT sensors monitor soil conditions, ensuring precise water and fertilizer use. These advances help reduce waste and carbon footprints while feeding growing populations. Technology is turning environmental challenges into opportunities for innovation. Welcome to today's episode of Tech for Good, Social Impact, and Sustainability. I'm Umesh Tharuka Malaviarachchi, and we're diving into the powerful ways technology is addressing some of the world's biggest challenges, from combating climate change to expanding education access and ensuring health equity. The rapid advancement of technology is transforming the landscape for global development. But how exactly is tech making a difference in these areas? Let's explore.